Hey y'all, Adventures with Hayes. We back at it again. It don't stop. Today we at the Glacial Hills Pathway and Natural Area. Now this is the day after I done already kayaked 20 plus miles, you feel me? So I'm about to see what we can get into today. It's about 30 miles of trails. I wish I had my mountain bike here today. Unfortunately, I left it at home because I only thought I'd be kayaking. I won't make that mistake again, but I'm going to hike it because it's been a while since I made a hiking video. So, let's get it. All right, so the parking lot's there, which is the trailhead, and we already getting up there. So this is a shared trail with bikers, so you gotta stay on your P's and Q's and keep your head on the swivel. Other than that, let's see what's up on this trail today. Okay, hopefully we can find some mushrooms. So this trail leads to Maple Leaf Trail or the West Valley. So depending on what it's looking like when the trail splits, whichever is more scenic and aesthetically pleasing, that's the one I'm gonna pull up on. Hey, you follow the yellow markers, you will be alright. Alright, so our crossroad is Maple or the River Valley. I'm gonna take the valley, man. West Valley to be exact. Whenever that tree decide to come down, sheesh. Yeah, see? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through there. Hey. Nah, for real, that's crazy, and it's only being supported by that tree that's wedged there. It's a lot of these trees are widows makers out here. Hey, there's a nice little opening in the canopy. Now we getting dark again. Nice shade areas. Alright. Boy. He getting back up there. I don't know if we going down. It's hitting me with all the twists and turns. Hey. So here in Michigan, we don't have many mountains or not too many structures of that magnitude, but I love how steep the side of these cliffs can be. It's about as good as it gets as far as the lower Michigan. Now if you go to the UP, you would get you some good old mountains and whatnot, but in the lower, nah. Like I said, good depth out here, boy. We all the way in the valley. That's way up there. Way up there. What up, y'all? I'm on a deer run now. They even got a snow bike trail here, y'all. On both sides, starting with the rolling hills and the deer run. So if that's what you like, Glacial Hills, pull up. Nice. I love the beautiful colors in here. From the pine needles on the ground, the foliage underneath. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's go. Still on Deer Run Trail. Got some nice rolling hills. Yeah, we in the hills, y'all. They wasn't lying when they said this the Glacial Hills. You dig? Crazy to imagine. Picture this. All of this was formed and shaped by glaciers. Sometimes it just be hard to wrap your mind around stuff. I wish I had a whole CGI computer right now that could graft and put together a whole image for y'all of how this place was, well, how this place came about. On all my journeys I've been on, all the adventures we take, I think Glacial Hills has the most active users on the hills. Like I've seen about 20 to 25 bikers. I've seen at least 30 people walking. Now usually, like I said, this is a 30-mile area, so there might be that many people on the trail, but you don't run into this many people. So I will say that's pretty cool to constantly see active faces smiling. You know, there's a guy here coming around on this bike there. I think that's pretty cool. So all right, so I'm only doing 10 miles today since I made a 20-mile journey yesterday. We're on the rolling hills, y'all. Like I said, we don't have the big mountainous region here in the Midwest in Michigan, but we do have pretty steep hills, and we got some lush forests. We got great vegetation, you feel me? Perfect temperature, perfect climate. We get all 4 seasons, you feel me? So it's like, yeah, you know, we don't get the spectacular things, but we got a culmination of things that when you bring it all together, I'm telling y'all, the state of Michigan, the best state if you are outdoorsman or an outdoors woman. But don't take it from me, you got to come see it yourself. Took a trip off the beaten path for a moment. Oh, turkey tails, oh, turkey tails. I know I said that I would be looking for mushrooms on this adventure as well. And trust me, I have. There has been quite a few mushrooms. There's been like the hoofs mushroom, well, hoofs polypores, tender conch, that type of stuff. But nothing that I could actually utilize for cooking. But yeah, we still looking though. We gonna find something. I ain't finna get shut out today. Also, I must highlight that the good people at Glacial Hills, is very clean. I don't see much trash. There's not many ruts. The trail is well groomed and taken care of. And I will say that they do a good job of marking signage and making sure that you don't get lost on the trail. There's literally yellow stripes everywhere. Every like 0.4, 0.5 of a mile, there's signage as well. So if you be out here getting lost, this is a place you won't get lost. So I'm sure you guys could hear it in the background. If you were wondering, yes, this place is kid friendly. So what I mean by that is it's not too rugged. Yes, the hills are pretty steep, but there's so many different routes that you could really just, you know, pick and choose how you go about it, and still it'll be fun for the kids. I've seen different little critters. I've seen a deer off in the distance, but yeah, and I've seen elderly people out here as well, so that lets you know not too bad on the knees. I haven't seen like a rock section or like a technical bike section where if you were hiking you would have to deal with that. So yeah, mainly just rolling hills, smooth dirt path, you know, winding curves, and that's pretty much it. Not too many water spots here, but beautiful trail. Beautiful trail. Once again, shout out to the volunteers and the workers who helped to keep Glacial Hills maintained. So the trail go around there, but and we are out of the hills, back on normal ground. There's something back there. I see you, little chipmunks. Through the meadows and the pine trees, y'all. Yep. Magnificent. Ah, man, I wish I can bottle up that fresh pine scent, and every time I go to the forest, you know what I'm saying, just put that on. I love a good pine. Top 3 smells in the world is fresh pine tree. So we did pretty much hit all the trails. The only one we didn't hit today was the outer trail, and that's only because that trail is 20 miles itself, and I didn't want to be caught on that trail when I was only trying to do 10 miles total. So it's the only one we didn't traverse. Everything else we hit a little bit of, moving on to the next stick and move. You feel me? Oh, low-key roadway over here. Nice soft ground with all the pine needles. Thank you, Glacial Hills. You've been good to me. Been real good to me. I'll be back with my bike. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come on adventures with Hayes and friends. Adventures with Hayes, y'all. That's a hashtag you can use. And it's a person you can relate to. Come on out here with your boy.